Today we're going to talk about something called relations as it relates to ordered pairs. And a relation is any set of ordered pairs. And they can be represented on tables or graphs or just as an ordered pair like this. If they make a straight line, they will be called a function. The domain are all of the x coordinates that are in a set of ordered pairs. And the range is all of the y coordinates in a set of ordered pairs. Let's look at an example problem. So let's take this set of ordered pairs and put them into a table and also as a graph. When placed in the table, they look like this, with all the x's on the left side and all the y's on the right side. And here are the points all placed into a graph. These points are the x values. They make up the domain. And if we listed them, we would write 2, -4, -3, and 0 as their domain. These are the y values, and they are the range. And if we were to list the range, we would write 6, -8, 6, and -4. Okay, you guys try this one. So take these ordered pairs and put them in a table and a graph, and then tell me what the domain and range is. So if we list all the domain, or the x values, it's -2, 3, 6, and 1. And if we list the range, it would be 5, -1, 2, and 7. This is the graph of -2, 5. It's right between the point lines here. This is 3, -1. Here is 6, 2. Here is 1, 7. Here's another example of make a table of the ordered pairs, graph the ordered pairs, and before you do that, you have to describe the equation of the line. To do that, we have to begin reading that it costs $3 per hour to park at the Wild Animal Park. And in that sentence, we will find the slope here at $3 per hour, which means the slope is 3 to 1 or 3. We're going to use the slope-intercept formula, y equals mx plus b, but we don't have a y-intercept to add into the equation. So we won't use the plus b. And now that will transform y into 3 times x when we substitute in our slope value for m right here. We're going to use x values given to us as 3 hours, 4 hours, and 5 hours right here. So with our equation, that means we're going to take the slope, which is 3 times 3, which equals 9. And the slope, 3 times 4 hours equals 12. And the slope, which is 3 times 5 hours equals 15. And the slope, which is 3 times 6 hours equals 18. And here we see the graph of those 4 points that you just created. Okay, you try this one, where you're going to make a table of ordered pairs, where the x-coordinate is the number of movies rented, and the given values for x will be 1, 2, 3, and 4. From there, you need to calculate the y-coordinate, creating the equation of the line, substituting in slope, and doing the arithmetic. Then graph the ordered pairs. Let's substitute the values for x. The number of movies rented will be 1, 2, 3, and 4. And the story reads, a movie rental store charges $3.99 per movie. Here is the unit rate, $3.95 per movie, and the unit rate indicates the slope, which represents 3.95 to 1, or 3.95. Now write the slope-intercept form of y equals mx without the plus b, and substitute in the 3.95 for the m, or slope. So in order to get something to equal y, we're going to have to multiply each of these by 3.95, which is the slope. Multiplying 3.95 times 1, we get 3.95. 3.95 times 2, we get $7.90. And 3.95 times 3, we get $11.85. And 3.5 times 4, we get $15.80. Next, label the graph on the x and y axes. The y values are the total cost on the y-axis, and the x-axis represents the number of movies rented. Now graph the points. I'm going to put the point 1 and 3.95 just short of 4, and the point 2, 7.90 just shy of 8, and 3, 11.85 just shy of 12, and the point 4, 15.80 just shy of 16. Piece of cake.